What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is man Alberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be on the Nike Air Zoom Alphafly Next shoe. Now before we jump into this video, guys, just peep my Instagram real quick at man Alberto. I do post a lot of fire streetwear content, a lot of photos and outfits, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. But let's just unbox this really quickly. I actually already cut it open, so let's just open it up. Okay, so here is the black box right here. So right here, this tag is going to give you the majority of the information that you're going to need. It's going to have your style code, your sizing on there, your retail price of $275, and for me with taxes here in Washington State, it came out to $299.48 after tax. This actually did release on July 2nd, and I actually just received this a couple days ago, and I'm posting this video today. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we have. So it comes with this white dust bag right here that has timing on it. I'm assuming this is for your best time when you do your marathon, because this is actually a running shoe. It's called men's racing shoe. And then right here on the back, you have a big swoosh, a little bit of detailing right there. And then right here up top, it does say measured in the lab, verified with medals and records. That's some pretty good detailing. Now, as far as the shoe itself and the tissue paper has the same thing with the timing on it and Nike swooshes. These are in the electric green and black colorway. So here it is. Here is the shoe. Now this is actually, it looks worn already. If you actually look at the soles right here, it already looks like it's been worn, but it's actually brand new. And it's really lightweight. The technology on this is really lightweight. Just some quick detail on it right now to make this a quick video. This Air Zoom pod, there's actually two pods in here. They actually put more foam in here so it's more comfortable. And right here it does say fly plate. You might not be able to see it, but what that is from the brand Pebex, and it's a powered plate. I think I'm saying that wrong, but it's a powered plate basically, and that plate runs through the whole shoe, and it actually helps you with low energy loss. The polymers in the shoe are actually made for performance, and that's what also helps this be so lightweight, along with a little bit of carbon fiber on the inside. Now this shoe is actually somewhat popular amongst the running community after Eliud Kipchoge. During his amazing sub 2-hour marathon, he actually broke a record in these shoes, and it's actually Nike's fastest distance shoe to date. The midsole is going to start from 39.5 millimeters all the way up to 45 millimeters, which is 8 millimeters higher than the already Zoom X Vaporfly Next. Do you guys see that right there where it says Atomknit? That's actually the new technology versus Flyknit, which has been Nike's #1 knit, you could say. Now the whole premise around Atomknit is that the front and the uppers are going to be flexible, but the back heel is going to be strong. That way your foot can breathe and move around freely, but it's reinforced in the back. Quickly, let's just go around the shoe on the back. It's going to rise up and curve, and that curve is obviously going to help you while you run. You're going to have the swoosh right there. If I do actually keep these, because they are in my size and I do somewhat run sometimes, if I do end up keeping these and running them, I will do a follow-up review on that as well. Now here on the inside of the shoe, I do love this detailing. Measured in the lab, verified by world-class runners, Nike Running. This is cool detailing right here. I do like that. I do like the detailing of the swoosh right there on the Zoom Pod too. Along the midsole though, you will see this gray, and it's a kind of a chrome. It switches off from gray to a kind of violet, but this drags along the whole midsole. Right there you can see it has the fly plate right there. So your midsole and outsole are both going to be green, but also your outsole is going to have a Nike swoosh, and then it's going to also have a black pod on top of that. On the inside right there, it does say just do it on the insole. That's the only detail on the inside that I have seen. As far as detailing on the tongue, you're going to have this Nike Air Zoom Alphafly Next, and that's going to be about it. And then right here on the inside, you do have a blue fabric, which is actually some cushioning on the inside, so when you're running, it does not hurt as much. It takes most of the impact, so that's very nice. If I haven't mentioned already, as far as reselling, you're looking about paying $50 over retail. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that Nike tag is actually clear, and that's really cool detail, and I've never seen that before. That is really, really cool. So some more detail is going to be on the lace tips itself. They're going to be the same green, the electric green. It's going to have the Nike swoosh right there, and it's going to have the check mark right here for the marathon. Now as far as sizing, I'm not too familiar with that because I cannot put these on feet, but I would assume it would be your true size. But yeah guys, follow my Instagram like I said once again at man Alberto to see some more dope streetwear content. I would love for you guys to come see that. And then also, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe. More videos on the way. I post Monday and Thursdays. I might even start posting a little bit more. You never know. I might just do it. Don't say I won't. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for me. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.